Hey guys, it's me. Today's video is gonna be a pack with me. I've never done one of them before, but they're fun to watch. And I'm going on a little trip. Today is Tuesday. I am leaving for a road trip on Thursday with two of my favorite people in the world. Jenny, who is my twin friend since kindergarten, and Colleen, her little sister, aka my little sister. It's gonna be a very fun weekend. I'm excited to just have a little girls trip. We're going a bit upstate from where I live on Long Island. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then we come back Sunday. So 4 outfits, easy peasy. I feel like I'm like lounging right here. It's winter and cold weather, which I feel like is harder to pack for because I can't style cute outfits when it's cold. I just want to be like in 17 layers and warm enough because I'm always cold. I think I'm gonna go for comfort over cute. I don't know what we're gonna be doing. Probably some hiking, you know, nature exploring. Pretty casual, nothing crazy. I made a little list of what to pack. This is my little packing list. I just like, I don't know, writing it out. And I could use paper, but you know, this is more fun and more time consuming. So I think now I'm gonna pick out some outfits and we'll see how long this takes because that's the hardest part. This is the luggage I'm bringing. It's pretty small. It's kind of big on camera, but what should we call it? I usually bring a duffel bag for weekend trips, but I figured this will be easier to like open up and just live out of because sometimes my duffel bag I'm like rummaging through trying to figure out where everything is and like pulling stuff out. So I just thought this would be easier. I'm just gonna kind of fling out any promising article of clothing onto my bed and then we'll work from there. So it's gonna be 46, 48, 50, and 52 the days that we're there. That's the high. I'm gonna be cold. What jacket do I wear? 50. I don't even remember what that feels like. I think I need a puffer. For now, we do the clothing. Let's try on some outfits. Okay, I'm thinking this. I ignore my hair. Black Converse, and then I can do a hat. Anyone else like the most confident when they're in like this kind of clothes? Because I don't know, just comfy and it's like who cares? You can do a little pom-pom action, which makes it a little more girlier. What do you think? It's kind of cute. It also looks like I like killed a squirrel and put it on my hat. I'm getting rid of this hat.
Oh, I like it. Yo!
I think I'm gonna do this hat. I could do some braid action. Cozy. This is the vibe of the weekend, like baggy, saggy boy outfits. She is itchy. We're getting rid of her. It's cute. It's ugly, I know, but like cute ugly. We're going for dad vibes, not for cutesy little girl vibes. And this. And then this one is really fuzzy and warm. However, I'm not liking the red and blue. I don't know, I think it looks like a lumberjack. These are fleece lined, so they're very warm. Do a little sweatshirt action. So this is one road trip outfit. This can be another travel outfit. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Okay. That actually was not hard. I think that is it for the outfits. Now I have to clean this up. Time to try to fit everything in here. Okay, I have all the clothes packed. All the clothes packed. Looks very aesthetically pleasing, very organized. And I have enough room for my makeup and toiletries. I'm not gonna pack those yet because it's only Tuesday and I leave Thursday. And I don't really want to live out of a bag for more times than I need to. Oh, I need gloves. I need gloves. This is the jacket I'm gonna bring. It's just like my lighter puffer. I think this will be good. And black matches with everything, so we love that. For shoes, I'm debating if I need to bring these. They are not the comfiest things ever, but they do have good traction. I think I might just end up bringing these instead. I'll just have to wear like thicker socks because Converse, my feet get cold. Then I'll probably just bring these. So I'll probably just pick 2, not bring all 3 of those. I have my drone packed in this bag. So I'm gonna bring this little guy and probably a backpack. As I said, I'm not gonna pack these now, but I can just show you what I use. This is what I use for my makeup. I've literally been using it since high school. Like, I got it as a Christmas gift from one of my like high school friends. It just has this hook so you can just like hook it on whatever's in the bathroom, like a towel run, or you can just lay it flat. I like it because when I have just a bag of all my makeup, then I'm like, you know, digging through everything. Where's my mascara? Oh, I have to dig through. But this, like, I put them all up here, and then I put like the face makeups down here. And yeah, it's the perfect size. Like, this is all I need. And I love that it like opens up and then you can see everything you have. This is what I use for my toiletries. It is just like a plastic material, so it's good if anything leaks, that's fine. I kind of always have it packed because I'm not home every weekend usually. I'll just fill these like shampoo, conditioner, body wash. They're like squeezy so you can get everything out of them, which is really nice. And then I bring like a mini dry shampoo. I'll probably bring a face mask. Have this little toothbrush holder so it doesn't get dirty. I bring like a mini body lotion. So this is like a little toothpaste, right? But then look at this one. It's even littler. Like, so cute. And I have a little perfume that I'm trying to use up, and it literally has like a drop left, so that's good. A little face hydrating mist. This is what I bring my other perfume in. It's just a sample, but like I can refill it, so I'll just spray my huge perfume into this, and then I can bring it and not have to bring a huge glass bottle. This is just leave-in conditioner, and this is like a hair oil, like argan oil, that I put on the tips of my hair. Yeah, then I'll just bring like face wash, face brush, toner probably. Basically packed already, just automatically, because I just leave all those little things in here so I have them handy. And then I'll put this in here. This will go here, and it fits perfectly. I'm gonna bring a book. This is what I'm reading right now. I've been reading the Harry Potter books, if you didn't know. I love them. I've never read them before. I feel like a child, again, reading them. If you haven't read them, I definitely recommend you do because they're amazing. It is very large and heavy, but I want to bring a book to like read at night or whenever we have downtime. As for gadgets and things, I think I'm just gonna bring this little tripod and then probably my big one that I'm using right now. Of course, camera battery chargers, phone charger, and this little thing my mom found at the thrift store for me last summer, I think. It's supposed to be a photo printer, like you put paper in here and it comes out and prints. But it also takes SD cards. So I've been just putting an SD card in here, no film, and then I take them. You can download it at the end of the day, and then you can see all the photos, and it looks like kind of like a film camera. Debating whether I should bring the film camera or not. I might just bring this instead of the film camera. I know the film camera would come out better, but this is just like so much easier and smaller. I think that is it, you guys. That was honestly like much easier than I thought it was gonna be. I feel like I'm missing something. By the time you're watching this, I will be on the trip. Okay, that is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm going on another trip in a week and a half to a little bit of a warmer spot for a longer duration. So I'll probably film one of these videos for that too, just because it's a bit different, kind of what I'm going to be packing. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I love you all. Please subscribe, follow me on Instagram if you want to see some pictures from my trips and my life. And I'll see you guys next Friday. Okay, bye!